Today we'll talk about how can you find progress on your MyFitnessPal app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here or more down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do now, just click here on progress here. So when you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. That here you will find all progress you have here. Then here if you want to add your weight here, you add it in this list and you click in this sign. So then here your weight here, if you want to add it, select it here. Measurement here, if you want to select it, then you click here on OK. Sorry, you click here on OK here. So then here you will find all the information for your progress. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.